Hey, what's up guys? So I'm super excited how this is turning out. In this video we're mostly going to be sanding and adding drywall mud, just like episode 4. We're going to continue knocking down the high spots and adding filler into the little cracks and holes. We're also going to be adding some extra lines that I'll show farther in the video and just how I do that. Anyway, if you guys have any questions about the build, just comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. So I took some of your guys' advice. So I actually decided to dye the drywall mud blue so that when I lay this layer over the white stuff, I'll be able to see what I'm actually missing. Oh goodness. So in the beginning of the video, I told you guys I was going to be doing some lines that I actually forgot. Right now, I'm just building up putty. As you can see, I'm going down and trying to make it as straight as I can. But I'm building up putty so later I can sand it down to exactly what I want. So now I'm building up the back because I had a huge dip, so I'm trying to put as much drywall mud as I can so I can actually fill in the bump, and then I'll be sanding it to the contours of the car. So right here, as you can see, I kind of I drew up some lines, and then I put putty where it needs to be, and I tried to put a little bit extra so I can actually sand that down to fit the rest of the car. But just up that, I try to make it as smooth as I can, and that's supposed to be a little bend in the car, so I was trying to kind of bump it up, and then I can sand it down so it can be a tiny little angle. I actually did run into a problem. So on the front, I actually put a lot of filler, and it ended up cracking a lot. And so what I'm doing here is I'm actually sanding out all the high points, and then later I'll be adding the filler in between it, just small layers to fill in all the cracks, and then it actually fixes the problem. It doesn't come up again, it stays where it's supposed to, and actually works really well. Sorry about the angle, guys. I actually had to put my phone on a ladder because I broke my phone holder, and I'm making a video on actually how to fix that, so that'll be coming in the future. Alright, I think that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll try to get another video out as soon as I can. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.